हेलो, गुड इवनिंग वन एंड ऑल। सो इस वीडियो में हम देख लेंगे कि इस बार की जो आईआईटी बीएचयू की जो इवन सेमिस्टर है उसके लिए पीएचडी के लिए जो फॉर्म है वो अभी बाहर निकल गए। लाइक ऑन 5th of November the form has been started and the last date of the application is 20th of November. So तो इस वीडियो में हम देख लेंगे कि क्या क्या है। तो जब हम एक्चुअली आई विल शेयर माय स्क्रीन। शेयर। तो बेसिकली फिर हम जो उनकी ऑफिशियल साइट है आईआईटी बीएचयू की, आईआईटी बीएचयू लेंगे। जैसे आप आईआईटी बीएचयू की ये जो ऑफिशियल साइट है ये आपके सामने ओपन होगी। सो आफ्टर दैट you have to select go for various departments. Okay, as per alphabetically, here is P for pharmaceutical engineering. So in this pharmaceutical engineering, this is like our department of pharmaceutics, or we can say the department of pharmaceutical engineering. So in this you have to just scroll down, and after that you can see here PG admissions. Because all this PhD works, it has been included under the PhD admissions only. So you can see here like in a blue link, that is the PG admissions 2024-25 even semesters. Just click on that. So it is taking a little bit of time. Okay, so you can see that online application portal for admissions to PhD programs, that is the even semester. We can say it as an even semester. So the online portal is available for submission of applications from November 5th, 2024 at 12 hours, 12:00 hours to November 2024 at 5 p.m. only. That is the 17:00 hours. So last date of filling this application form is 20th of November till 5 p.m. only. Okay. So like we can see that IIT BHU, it invites applications from the prospective candidates for admissions to PhD program. So in this short, I will just give you a brief information like which PhD programs are available at IIT BHU Varanasi. So basically there are four subjects. Like first subject is pharmacognosy. After that pharmaceutics. After that pharmaceutical chemistry, and last one is pharmacology. And there are like four streams. Okay, uh, most of the admissions like most of the seats they have fulfilled in odd semester only, but there are also like seats available for even semester also. Okay, so here are like register, as well as you have to, if you are already registered, then you have to just log in. And if you are a newly member for this site, then you have to just go for register. And like we will talk in like short brief about this IIT BHU, what is the fees. Okay, now they have given all the procedure that you have to just follow this procedure in order to fill this, or in order to submission of online application form. So you can just see that at their official site. And after that, so step 5, that is the pay online, the application processing fee. So here you can see that it is like rupees 500 for OBC. It is for OBC general, NCL and general EWS category. Okay. For general category, for OBC category, and for EWS candidate, the fee, application fee is 500 rupees. And for SC, ST and physically disabled candidates, it is the 250 rupees only. Okay. So you have to pay the application processing fee through online, that is the SBI Collect portal link. The link is provided here. You can just click on that link and you can do a payment. After that, like download your application form as well as this receipt, and you have to just upload on the link if they provide you the link. Okay. So, and most importantly, the who are eligible for this like program, PhD program. First of all, a mandatory if you are a qualified or a GPAT student, GPAT qualified or GATE qualified, in GATE, it should be a life science. Okay. Na? So in that, if you are GATE or GPAT qualified, it is generally a mandatory for the full-time regular category because this IIT BHU, it generally provides three types of PhD program. The first program is full-time regular category. I will just show you. Like there are three types of like programs offered by IIT BHU. So this is the part-time registration category. You can do a part-time PhD. After that, second is a full-time external registration category. Okay. And third one is a full-time sponsored registration category. Okay. You can download these different types of form 1, form 2, form 3, form 4, form 5, and you can just like a detailed information on this specific programs. Lekin I will suggest you go for a full-time only, full-time PhD program only. Okay. After that, there are like some of the instructions for the candidates, like check your name, say you upload your photos and like do your sign neatly, properly. Okay, now. So this is all about like for your E1 semester. Like for E1 semester, number of seats available at IIT BHU, as per my knowledge, is like less because at in like in odd semester, actually. In odd semester, I was also there at IIT BHU. I was pursuing my masters, and at that time there was near about like 15 to 16 seats. Okay, like for Cology, it was approximately three, 3, 1, 3, 2. Like it was approximately aroundly 9 to 10 for pharmacology only. For pharmaceutics, it was like around 9, 10. For pharmacognosy, it was around 1 to 2. And for pharmaceutical chemistry, it was little bit less, as per my knowledge. I'm not sure. Like it was like 5 to 6. So near about 20, 25 seats was available for 4 courses. So I guess this time the seats will be like limited, or we can say that less as compared to odd semester. Okay. This is all about this online application portal, like online applications to the PhD program. Okay. Okay. Till then, thank you. Have a great day.